boat. I just want a picture. Dude, he was right next to the boat. Did you see him back behind us? Like,
he came this way.
Dude, he was checking us out. We got a 14-foot hammerhead swimming around the boat, chasing this tarpon. That one's definitely big enough to eat your fish in one bite, dude.
And then you just hang on?
Ain't nothing else you can do. He's gonna run the show. I wish I would have got a picture of him when he was next to the boat like that. It's a big boy right there.
None of these other guys have hooked anything?
I bet that shark's after him. Here, I'm gonna get some line back for you. Ready? That shark's after him, or he wouldn't be going that fast. He's getting it, isn't he? He's after him. He's on the surface. Look. I bet he's trying to eat him right now. He's eating him. No way. He's eating him. Let's get up there and get a picture of it. Sit down. Look at this picture going here. It's on video right now.
That's a hammerhead eating my tarpon. Son of a bitch. Look at that.
Oh my God.
Can you hook him?
Look, he broke him off. He's after him. Oh my God, dude, he hit the boat. Gee, where's he at? Oh my, look at the tarpon trying to get under the boat, dude. Look. Oh my God, you getting that on video?
Oh yeah.
Here, get up on the seat. Where's your line at? It's still out there. Is he still on your line?
No, it broke.
You sure?
Oh yeah. It's
Let me get it out of the way. Here's around the back of the boat. Look, oh, he's got him. He's bleeding right now. Look, he's just ate him in half. He's right down there. See it? He's right there. See all the blood? Damn, what an experience that was. He got him, dude.